Good morning. This is Nicole, and I'm creating this morning special meditation for you. This meditation is going to be used before you take a shower or bath in the morning time. And this is a beautiful ritual that I'm going to share with you so that you can do at some point with or without this meditation, and so that it will become a habit for you. So what I'd like you to do is be in your bathroom or shower, wherever the shower is or bath is. And if you need to get a stool or put a towel down, do so. If you have access to some kind of speaker in the shower, feel free to do it in the shower. So now that you're ready, I want you to close your eyes. Take a deep breath in for 3, a full breath through the stomach. Hold it at the top and release all the air until your stomach is completely empty, pushing out every last little bit of air that you have. Repeat it a few times, in for 3, so that there's no more air left in your stomach. Deep breaths. And out, releasing all the air, all the way to the end. Repeat one more time. And when you've finished your deep breathing, just go back to your normal rhythm of breath without stressing, without thinking, just breathe normally. This morning, we are going to raise your vibrations and go into a deep state of love and joy and gratitude, which is the highest frequency. And this is going to enable you to step into today with happiness. It's going to help you on your journey of manifestation because you'll be on a high vibration. It's going to help you with your state of mind. You will feel a sense of well-being and health and vitality throughout today because you've started your day with this high vibration, which will stay with you throughout the day. And any time during today, if you're feeling stressed or a lower vibration, just come back to this moment and breathe just as you did today, and it will help you raise your vibration again. So now I want you to picture a golden light at the root of your body. It's coming from the ground all the way up, all the way through your body, all the way through the crown of your head, all the way up to the universe. So you have this strong golden light, this string, this strength, all the way up from the sky all the way to the bottom of the universe. This is your high frequency light. And it's radiating its beautiful, clean, clear light through your body. I want you to picture this light radiating into all your cells. You feel it tingling throughout your whole body. You feel a little bit of warmth, perhaps. You feel safety. You feel love. You feel vitality. And as you're feeling this beautiful light going throughout your entire body, I want you to think of a moment that you were grateful for in your life, a moment that brought you joy and happiness. And I want you to think about that moment for a second. I want you to visualize that moment. Go back there. Feel the sense of gratitude for that moment. Feel like it's happening again right now. Think about why you were so grateful for this moment. Feel the happiness and joy you felt and allow the golden energy to help you enhance the moment. Right now, you're in a high frequency. The frequency of gratitude and joy and love is one of the highest frequencies. Feel into that. Be it. Enjoy it. You are it. You are love. You are happiness. You feel a strong sense of oneness with this beam of light going through your body. You feel its strength and power, and you feel it become part of your existence. Keep on breathing in and out. And this is all you need for today. This high frequency of love and gratitude. It's going to stay with you in your body throughout the entire day. And when you go into the bath or the shower, I want you to stay in this frequency. As you feel the water come over you when you are taking your shower, you're going to close your eyes and feel this golden light around you. You're going to imagine this light through your body, and you are going to allow the water to enhance your experience and your frequency. You're going to close your eyes and feel into your sense of gratitude again, and say to yourself or out loud, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Perhaps you'll raise your hands to your heart or in prayer. And as you thank the universe or source or God for everything that you have, and you're in this strong sense of gratitude, you're going to feel a sense of happiness and joy that you've never felt before. And soon this will become your shower ritual, where you'll allow your experience to be one of gratitude to start your morning. And you will step into a life of higher frequency, higher love, abundance, joy, success. Everything that you desire is there for you. And now your frequency will match those desires. You are going to have the best day, the happiest day today. Sending lots of love and enjoy your water meditation that is about to occur. Lots of love, Nicole.